Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Maths Chapter 10 Operations on Decimals. Operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition of decimals. For example, add 236.35. It is in decimals. 42.3, 6.735 and 53. Now we have to add. Step 1. Change the given decimals to like decimals. Like decimals means decimal's place value will be same. See here, we are changing into like decimals. In question, first 3 5 is there. Here we are having two decimal numbers. In second one, we are having only one decimal number, that is 3. In third, we are having 735. Here we are having three decimal numbers. And here we don't have any decimal numbers. So the big is 3 decimals number. We are changing into like decimals. Now see 236.350. Next 42.300. We are adding two zeros here. Next 6.735. We don't want to add any zeros. We are having already three decimal numbers. 53 point. We don't have any numbers, so we have to add 0 0 0. Next, write them one below the other and add starting from extreme right. Now see 236.350, 42.300, 6.735, 53.000. Now we should add from the right to left. See in this 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0, 5 in thousands place. Now see 5 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0. 8. 5 plus 3, 8. It is in 100th place. Next 3 plus 3 plus 7. Total 13. Right in the 10th place. Step 4. After adding the tens, put the decimal point before adding the ones. Decimal point as it is. Next 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. Total 18. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1. Total 13. 3 is down, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Answer is 338.385. Add the following. For example, 9.6, 7.35, 24.215. In these, first change into like decimals, then add 9.600, 7.350, add 1 0, 24.215, 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3. 3 plus 2. 11. 1 carry. Write 1 down. Next. 9 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1. 21. 2 carry. 1 write down. 2 plus 2. 4. Put the decimal point after the 3 decimal places. That is 5, 6, 1. 3 decimal places. Place decimal point. Now 41.165. Addition. In word problems. For example, Rohit brought a book for rupees 165.65. A pen for 25.50 rupees and a box for rupees 70. Find the total amount he spent. Now see solution. Amount spent on books. How much? 165.65 rupees. Amount spent on pen. 25.50 rupees. Amount spent on box. Only we are having whole part. That is 70. We have to change into decimal part. That is 70.00. Now see 5 plus 0 plus 0. 5. 6 plus 5 plus 0. 11. 1 carry over. 1 write down. Next. 5 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1. 11. 6 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1. 16. 6 down. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1. 2. Now see. Rohit spent rupees 261.15 rupees. Read, think and solve. For example, a man, D1. A man brought a shirt for rupees 135, a bag for rupees 27.50 and a pair of shoes for rupees 499.99. Find the total amount spent by the man. We have to find it. Solution. Man brought a shirt. How much? 135 rupees. Next. Bag for 27.50. Here 135. Only whole part is there. For bag we are having 27.50. Now we should add two decimal values. That is 00. So 135.00. Next. Bag 27.50 rupees. Pair of shoes 499.99 rupees. So now add it. 0 plus 0 plus 9. 9. 0 plus 5 plus 9. 14. 1 carry over 4 write down. 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1. 22. 2 write down. 2 carry over. 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2. 16. 6 down. 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 plus 1. 6. 662.49. How? We should put the decimal point after the two decimal places. That is 9, 4. Therefore, the total amount spent by the man is 662.49 rupees. Subtraction of decimals. Subtract 35.85 from 72.5. Step 1. Change to like decimals. Decimal part should be same. 35, 72 are whole numbers. 85, 5 are decimals. So decimal part should be same. 72.5 is there. So we have to add 0. Now we change it to like decimals. That is 35.85, 72.50. Write bigger number first and then smaller number below it and subtract. In this bigger number what? 72.50. Next small 35.85. Now see 72.50 minus 35.85. We have to subtract. 0 minus 5 we cannot subtract. Then borrow 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Now 4 minus 8 we cannot take. So borrow 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Now take 10 borrow. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Here we are having 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Total 3665. Now put the point before subtracting the ones. The difference is 36.65. Subtraction word problems. Raji had rupees 100. She spent rupees 75.50 on books. How much money is left with her? Solution. Amount she had 100. Amount she spent 75.50. Here it is in decimal. 100 is in whole. We had to change into decimals. So we had to add decimal part. That is 0.00. Now subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 5 we cannot take. So borrow 10 from 0. It changed to 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Here we are having 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Here we are having 0. Take borrow. It will change to 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 24.50. 24.50. Put the decimal point after two decimal places. Raji has 24.50 rupees left with her. Simplify. See for example B1 75.3 plus 25.45 minus 16.35 minus 42.4. Add the addition part, that is 75.3, 25.45. It is in unlike decimal. So now change into like decimals, that is put 0, 75.30. Now we have to add 0.5, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 7 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 10. Total 100.75. Step 2. Now both subtractions. 16.35 minus 42.40. See here, minus into minus how much? Equal to plus. Add both negative numbers and put the negative sign. We have to add. Then we should keep negative sign. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 4, 5. Decimal point as it is. Now put the minus sign. Next, step 3. Go to step 1. See, step 1 answer 100.75. Now 100.75 minus, see here, step 2 answer minus 58.75. Now we have to subtract. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. Decimal point as it is. Take borrow. 10 minus 8, 2. Now we are having 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Answer is 42.00. Multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimal with a whole number. See here 37.6 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 7 2 ja 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 2 3 ja 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 75.2. Product is 75.2. Multiplicand. 1 decimal place. Product 1 decimal place. Product means 75.2. Multiplicand means 37.6. In this also 1 decimal place. In 75.2 product, we are having 1 decimal place, that is 0.2. 13.351 into 10. When we multiply with 10, the decimal point moves 1 place to the right. See here, arrow mark, it changed 1 place to right side. Now 133.51 when we multiply with 10. Now next example. 13.351 into 100. Here we are multiplying with 100. The decimal point moves 2 places to the right. That is 1335.1. Next, 13.351 into 1000. When we multiply with 1000, the decimal point moves 3 places to the right. That is 13,351.0. Multiplication of a decimal with another decimal. For example, find the product of 12.1 and 2.5. We are multiplying decimal with decimal. 12.1 into 2.5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 2 ja 10. 1 borrow. 5 1 ja 5. Plus 1, 6. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. 5 as it is. 0 plus 2. 2. 6 plus 4. 10. 0. 1 carry. 2 plus 1. 3. Place the point counting 2 numbers from the extreme right. 5, 2. We are placing a decimal point. Product is 30.25. Find the product. A1. 1.02 into 10. 1.02 into 10. 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0 as it is. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 as it is. Place the decimal point after 1. Product is 1.020. Fill in the blanks. For example, 0.35 into 0 equal to dash. When we multiply with 0, product is 0. Next B1, 1.2 into 1. When we multiply with 1, the product is itself 1.2. Next C1, 3 into 0.12 equal to 0.12 into 3. Division of decimals with whole numbers. Example, 34.2 divided by 2. 2 is divisor, 34.2 is dividend. 2 1 ja 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Next, 4, write down 2. 7 ja 14. 14 minus 14, difference is 0. Write decimal point in quotient. Now, bring down 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Quotient is 17.1. Remainder is 0. Division of decimal by another decimal. Divide 3.52 by 1.2. Check the number of decimal places in the divisor. Divisor means 1.2. It has one decimal place. Multiply both the dividend and the divisor by 10 because we are having one decimal place in the divisor. So, we are multiplying with 10. 3.52 into 10. The decimal point moves one place to the right. That is 35.2. Divisor 1.2 into 10. The decimal point moves one place to the right. That is, answer is 12. Step 3. Divide 35.2 by 12. Just now we got the answers dividend. When we multiply with 10, we get 35.2 and divisor 12. We are dividing these two. 12 2 ja 24. 35 minus 24. Difference is 11. We are having decimal point. Then you have to keep decimal point in quotient also. Next, 2 as it is, write down 12 9 ja 108. 112 minus 108. Difference is 4. We cannot write like that. So, keep 0 in dividend. Then write it down. It becomes 40. 12 3 ja 36. 40 minus 36. Difference is 4. Then after keep another 0 in dividend. 12 3 ja 36. 40 minus 36. Difference is 4. Go on like that. So stop. Stop the division. Answer 3.52 divided by 12 equal to 2.933. Pick the correct answer. The first one, the place value of 2 in 3.127 is in decimal. 2 is in decimal part. 1 is in tenths place, 2 is in hundredth place, 7 is in thousandth place. So 2 is in hundredth place. Answer is 3. Next B1 75.03 is written as. See in question 75. Where is 75? In B1 we are having 75.03. Answer is B. In C1 29.3 plus 4.5. We have to add. We'll get 33.8 minus 1.2. Answer is 32.6. Answer is tick the A1. Find the quotient. Example A1 4.05 divided by 9. 9 is the divisor, 4.05 is the dividend. In the quotient, put 0 point. We'll get two values now. 4.0. 9 4 ja 36. 40 minus 36. Difference is 4. 5 as it is. 9 5 ja 45. 45 minus 45. Difference is 0. Now the quotient is 0.45. Divide. Example A. 563.4 divided by 10. When we divide with 10, the decimal point moves one place to the left. That is 56.34. Divide after making the divisor a whole number. A example 0.288 divided by 0.6. Divisor has one decimal. 0.6 is divisor. It has one decimal. 0.6. When we have one decimal, we should multiply with 10. 0.6 into 10 equal to 6. 0.288 into 10 equal to 2.88. 6 is divisor. 2.88 is dividend. Now we have to divide 6. We cannot take 2. Take two numbers 2.8. Further, now in quotient write 0 point. Now 6 4 ja 24. 28 minus 24. Difference is 4. 8 down. 6 8 ja 48. 48 minus 48. Difference is 0. The quotient is 0.48. Remainder is 0. Read, think and solve. B1. For example, if the cost of 8 cups is rupees 75.84, find the cost of 1 cup. Solution. Cost of 8 cups is equal to 75.84 rupees. 1 cup cost how much? We have to find. See here 8 9 ja 72. 75 minus 72. Difference is 3. After we are having point, decimal point. In quotient also we have to keep decimal point. After that we should bring 8 down. Now 8 4 ja 32. 38 minus 32 difference is 6. Then 4 down. Now 64. 8 8 ja 64. 64 minus 64 difference is 0. Therefore 1 cup Cost is 9.48 rupees. Solve the exercises. Textbook, page number 153, 155, 156, 158, 161, 162.